Hello, everyone. This is Wendy with your WTR quick rundown on Flamingo. Flamingo is an online shave club for women where one of their main goals is to give women the tools they need to look and feel their best so they can be themselves. In addition to offering an affordable starter kit, Flamingo offers wax kits. While shaving products are the bread and butter of Flamingo, they're one of the few companies that seems to realize that some women prefer waxing at least some of the time. Flamingo also has helpful guides and information right on their website about shaving and waxing. However, Flamingo does not offer a subscription for more blades. For a lot of women, not being able to have blades delivered on a schedule is irritating, and Flamingo's customer service can be difficult to reach if you have an issue. Bottom line, Flamingo is an excellent choice for women looking to buy high-end products that don't completely break the bank. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.